Creating an outline font, also known as a text with a stroke or outline in Adobe Illustrator, allows you to make text appear bold and stand out. Here's a concise guide. Open Illustrator. Launch Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing one. Type text. Use the Type tool to create your text. Click on the canvas, type your text and choose your font and size. Convert to outlines. With the text selected, go to the Type menu and select Create Outlines. This converts the text into vector shapes. Expand appearance. If you want to create an outline around the text, go to Object, Path, Outline Stroke. This turns the text stroke into a separate shape. Apply stroke. To add an outline, go to the window menu and open the stroke panel. Adjust the stroke weight to your desired size. Stroke color. Set the stroke color by clicking the stroke color swatch in the toolbar or the stroke panel. You can choose from solid colors, gradients, or patterns. Position the outline. You can control the position of the outline in the stroke panel. Edit and fine-tune. To make further adjustments, you can use the direct selection tool to select and edit individual anchor points and handles of the outline shapes. Save your work. Once you're satisfied, save your Illustrator file. You can then export the design in various formats such as JPEG, PNG, or PDF as needed.